In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact NBKC Bank customer support through phone, chat, and email. It's essential to know the different ways to get in touch with your bank, especially when you need assistance with your accounts, have specific queries, or encounter any issues. Getting help from customer support can make a big difference in resolving your concerns quickly and efficiently. So let's walk through the steps to reach out to NBKC Bank. The first thing you'll need to do is to visit NBKC's website. All the contact avenues, including chat, phone, and email, can be accessed from there. So open up your browser and enter the URL, which is nbkc.com. Once you land on their homepage, you'll notice that the website has a user-friendly layout designed to help you navigate easily. Next, let's talk about the live chat feature. This is a convenient option if you prefer real-time communication. The live chat option is conveniently located at the lower left corner of your screen. It's available Monday through Friday from 7 o'clock a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. CST and on Saturday from 9 o'clock a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. CST. Simply click on the chat icon and you'll be connected with a representative who can assist you with your queries. Live chat is particularly useful for getting quick answers without the wait times that can sometimes accompany phone support. If you prefer speaking to someone directly, the next step is to click on the Talk to a Human link. This link will guide you to a page that provides different contact numbers and email addresses tailored to your specific needs, whether it's about personal banking, business services, or loan inquiries. The details vary depending on your specific concern, so it's crucial to select the correct option for faster and more efficient service. Remember to take note of the availability times, as these can differ depending on the department. Lastly, if you're more comfortable with email communication, or if you have detailed inquiries, then sending an email might be your best bet. On the same Talk to a Human page, you'll find the appropriate email addresses for different types of issues. Email support is ideal if you need to provide complex information or require a written record of your conversation. There you have it, multiple ways to connect with NBKC Bank customer support that cater to your personal preference and specific needs. Whether you choose live chat, phone, or email, being aware of these contact methods ensures that you get the help you need in a timely manner. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.